Play basketball with a football, yeah.
Hello.
Oh.
How are you?
Oh, hi. I'm fine.
My name is Tara.
Oh, hi Tara.
How about you?
My name is Sean.
Hi, Sean. Can you help me, Sean?
Yeah, sure. How can I help you?
Can you count the number of polygons on my body?
Polygons? What's a polygon?
Didik TV KPM.
Hi everyone, you are now watching Level 2 on Didik TV KPM together with me, Sean Stephen, as your host. Now before I begin, I would like to always remind you to follow the SOPs in place in our battle against COVID-19 to flatten the curve, which is to, always wash your hands as often as possible, use the hand sanitizer, and also when you're out from home, when you're in public places especially, use your face mask, and also make sure the distance between you and other people is at least 1 meter apart. And for today, together with my robot, we'll be having a very interesting subject. But before that, let's check out the teacher's profile. And there you have it. Joining us today, we have Mr. Ragu. Hi, Mr. Ragu. Please come in.
Hello.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good, Sean. How are you?
I'm really good.
Great.
So before we continue, maybe you could also introduce yourself to our viewers at home.
Sure. Hello, everyone. My name is Ragu Ramasamy. I am a teacher at SK Bukit Bandaraya. I am teaching maths, and I've been teaching for the past 22 years.
22 years, just
Yes.
slightly 1 year older than me.
Oh.
All right, so actually just before we begin the class, Tara over here actually asked me a question of how
Yeah,
many...
you're having some problems to count the number of polygons, is it?
Yes, but I do not know what a polygon is.
Okay, polygon is a shape which made of straight lines and it's closed.
Okay.
It's a 2D object.
All right.
Alright, so we can start counting. Okay, we count from the head.
Okay.
Okay, let's count, Sean.
Okay, so straight lines
Straight
and
line
also
and it is closed.
So this is closed.
Yes.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, we have 6.
All right.
Alright, I just write it down here.
Okay. Shall I continue to...
Okay, we have 6. Okay, how about the left hand?
Left hand. His left hand, or maybe I can count this one. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
No, Sean, this is not a polygon because
no.
it's not a straight line. It's a curve, is it?
Oh, okay. So let me just count again. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
And because this has a
Yes,
curved
exactly.
line.
It's a curve side. It's not a straight line.
It's not a straight line.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll count his right hand
Okay,
as
here
well.
you have 4. Okay, I'll just write it off 4.
All right. On the other
Alright,
hand,
how about
should
right
be
hand?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 also, another 4. Alright, good.
Okay.
Okay, and how about the body?
Okay, the body, I'm going to start with here.
Yes.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8.
Yes.
How about this?
I think okay, wait, let me count.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes. Okay.
10.
So there's 10 over there.
Now it's 10 on his body. How about leg?
Leg, I'll count on his right first. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.
5, very
because
good.
This is not a
Yeah,
straight
it's
line.
an oval. Yeah,
Okay,
right.
so if it's on the right side is 5, the left should also be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Exactly. 5 and 5 is 10.
Okay.
So what is the total altogether? So we have 6,
Okay.
4 left hand, 4 right hand, 10 in the body, and 10 on the legs. So total is 34. Very good.
There you go,
Excellent.
Tara. You have 34 polygons on your body. So
Okay,
hopefully
see.
I got that right.
Good. All right,
Yeah?
Sean. Okay, now let's share the learning objective for today's lesson.
All right.
Okay. The learning objective for today's lesson is pupil will be able to state the characteristic of polygons.
All right.
Identify the side, corner, symmetrical axes, angles, diagonals of regular polygon.
Okay.
And measuring the angles of regular polygon using protractor until 8 angles.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, sounds like a very action-packed and also fun lesson that we have
Exactly,
today.
Sean.
And
Yeah.
before we continue to learn more about polygons, we're going to take a short break and be back to you on Level 2 or Tahap 2 on Didik TV KPM. Stay tuned.
Didik TV KPM. Didik TV KPM.
And we are back for Level 2 or Tahap 2 on Didik TV KPM together with me, Sean Steven, and also have our wonderful teacher, Mr. Ragu from SK Seri Anggerit Ceras, Kuala Lumpur. Alright, let's begin our lesson.
Okay, before we start our class, let's learn the name of the parts in polygon.
Okay.
Okay, we can have a look at the slide.
Alright.
Okay, these are the polygons and non-polygon. Okay, Sean, can you
Yeah.
identify what is the difference between the polygons and non-polygons? What you can see from the picture that you can see.
From what I can see, it looks like the polygons somehow have straight lines, like what you
Very
mentioned
good,
earlier.
Sean.
They have corners, but that's not the difference. And I think if I fold it in a certain angle, it'll have like equal shape.
Yes, you will get equal
Yeah,
parts.
equal
Okay.
parts.
Actually, the main thing is the straight line.
The straight line.
Yeah, you can see the difference between the two sets of pictures.
yes.
The non-polygons, they don't have straight lines. Or sometimes they have straight lines and a curve or an oval type of lines.
Oh, okay, so it cannot be a combination.
Cannot be a polygon.
okay.
So a polygon must be a straight line.
Okay.
So
got
that's the difference between the polygons and non-polygon.
it. All right.
Okay, now let's learn the name of the parts in a polygon, okay?
Okay.
Alright, the first thing is corner. Okay, the corner... Okay, corner is the two edge of two lines which meet together. So
Okay.
the edge of the object, we call it a corner.
Okay,
So
got
if you
it.
look at the triangle, Sean, how many corners do we have?
Okay, from what I see, it looks like 1, 2, 3.
Three corners. Exactly, correct, Sean.
Did I
We
get
have
it right?
3 corners, yes.
Do I get stars?
Yes, Sean, I'll give you a like and for it.
Yay!
I will paste it here, Sean.
Or I can paste it on me as well.
Can?
Yes, I can collect.
Okay.
This is how I
You
usually
collect as many
mine.
as you like and then-
Yes, one like for me. Yeah.
Alright. Okay. Alright, and then we have sides.
Sides.
Okay, the sides are made of straight lines.
straight lines.
Okay, can we count how many sides on the triangle?
Okay, on the triangle there is
Yes.
1, 2, 3 sides.
Yes, 3 sides. Very good, Sean.
Did I get it correct?
3 sides, yes.
Yes.
A triangle have 3 sides. So the sides of a triangle of a polygon is a straight line. So we must always remember a polygon must have a straight side lines.
Okay, got
Alright,
it.
let's go for the next slide. Okay. Here we have corner. Okay,
Ooh.
when two corners, a corner meet another corner, we call it what, Sean?
It looks from the photo. I think it looks like a diagonal.
Yes, diagonal. Diagonal means is a corner meet with another corner. We will draw a straight line and we name it as diagonal.
Okay.
So diagonal is between one corner to another corner.
Okay.
And then we have straight side.
Yes.
Okay, you can see the straight side. And then you can see the angle, interior angle.
Interior angle. Okay.
Yes. We have interior angle, we have another angle. What is that? If interior and another one will be? External angle.
External.
Yes. Interior is inside, external is outside.
Okay.
So, okay, how many interior angles do we have in this shape?
Interior angles. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Very good, Sean. You can get one more like and for it.
Yay! I love.
But
Yes.
before I give you this like and,
Oh.
can you name what type of polygon is this?
Okay, let me see. It has 5 straight sides. It has 5 corners. I think it is a pentagon.
Very good, Sean.
Yeah.
Congrats. It's a pentagon.
Thank you.
Here you are, Sean.
Woo.
All right.
All right. Let's put it up here.
Okay, now we have learned the name of the parts in a polygon.
Yep.
Okay, now we're going to do an activity where we're going to match the name of the parts in this chart.
Okay.
Okay,
all right.
Sean. Okay, can you take the name of
This
the parts?
one here?
Yes, you can take the
Okay,
whole
so I
thing.
take the whole thing. Shall I go over there?
Yes, sure.
Okay, excuse me. All right. I'll come over here.
Okay, I can hold for you, Sean.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, the first part, you can... How about the corner?
Corner.
Can you label
So
the corner for me?
I have the word corner.
All right.
Okay, for those of you watching at home, can also try and guess where the corner is. I think corner, like you mentioned, Mr. Ragu, corner is where 2 straight lines meet.
Yes.
So I have a straight line here. I have a straight line here. So I think this
Very
is
good.
the corner.
Perfect.
All right.
Good.
Okay.
How about straight side?
Straight side. Okay.
All right.
For those of you watching at home, can you guess? I think you already know what it is. Like I mentioned, the corner is where 2 straight lines connect
Yes.
or meet.
Yes.
So I think because this is a straight line, straight side, so I think it's over here.
Perfect. Congratulations, Sean.
Yay, thank you, Mr. Ragu.
Very good. And how about the interior angle?
Interior angle. So this is how it is. All right. Can you guess, for those of you at home, where is the interior angle? So earlier, Mr. Ragu mentioned about the angle outside, which is external.
External.
I think this is inside.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so here I looks like this seems to show an angle. So I think this is the interior angle.
Great.
Did I get it right?
Yes, correct. You got it
Yay!
correct.
How about you? Did you get it right? I hope you did. All right.
Okay. And the last one is
Diagonal.
diagonals. What I
Okay.
told you just now, Sean. What is diagonals?
Diagonals is when one corner meets the other.
The other corner.
The other corner.
Oh, your
okay.
right hand is dropping.
Oh no!
Okay, all right.
Okay,
You can
I'll
put it
stick
inside
here.
your pocket also.
Okay.
Late.
I have to show everyone that I got it
All
right.
right, okay.
So I think here we have one corner meeting the other, and then there's a line.
Okay.
One corner meeting the other, and then there's a line.
Another line,
So I
yes.
would say this are diagonal.
Very good. This is the diagonals for this shape. Congratulations, Sean,
Yay!
and you will get another one more like and
More
Here
likes.
you are.
Thank you.
All right.
Woo. I am like man. Oh,
Okay, let's
Okay.
continue.
all right.
Okay, symmetrical access. Okay, symmetrical access is when you divide a shape
Okay.
into 2 equal parts.
2 equal parts.
Okay, when you put a line or when you fold the shape, it will goes into 2 equal parts. Then we
Okay.
call it symmetry.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
some polygons they have 1 symmetry, some they have 2, some they have 4.
Okay.
For regular polygons, the number of symmetry is according to the number of sides.
Oh.
How many sides we have.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So for this is a square.
Okay.
So a square have how many sides?
A square has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides.
So when a square have 4 sides means we will have 4 symmetry.
4
Access.
symmetry.
Yes.
4 symmetry.
Okay.
Access. Okay.
We can look at the triangle
Okay.
on the slide. Okay, a triangle have 3 sides.
Okay.
So we can find 3 symmetrical access in a triangle.
All right.
All right. Okay,
So
this is
I
it.
have a question.
Yes.
If earlier we were talking about pentagon that has
Yes.
pentagon that has
5.
five
sides.
5 sides,
Okay.
meaning the pentagon has 5 symmetrical axes.
Exactly.
Okay.
This is the characteristics of a regular polygon.
Oh, okay.
Not all the polygon. It's a regular polygon.
Okay, got
Do you
it.
know what is a regular polygon?
That's a very good question. I know what's a polygon, but what is a regular
We're
polygon?
going to learn it now. The characteristic
Oh.
of regular polygon.
All right.
All right.
Okay, so I think we're done with the labeling.
Okay, this is characteristic of a regular polygon. All the straight sides are equal in length.
Okay.
Equal means this size, this length and this length is
Okay.
the same size.
Ah.
Not only these two, all the 4 lines.
All the 4 lines.
So must be same line. If a
Okay.
triangle means equilateral triangle, all the 3 lines must be same.
Okay.
If it's a pentagon means how many same straight line?
It has to be, because pentagon has 5, so all 5 lines have to be of equal length.
Very good.
Ah,
If
okay.
it's equal, then only we call it as regular polygon.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Because sometimes I've seen, like for example, this is a square, but a rectangle, it has slightly different.
That one we call it polygon, but it's not a regular polygon.
Because the two sides are not the same.
The sides are
length.
straight.
Yeah.
But the sides, I mean the line are straight, but the sides are not the same.
Okay.
That one we call it a polygon. But make sure it is close.
Okay.
If it's open or it's have a curved side, means it's not a polygon.
Okay, got it.
All right. Is it clear, Sean?
Yes, clear,
Very
Mr. Ragu.
good. Okay. Okay,
So
let's see the next one. It's a closed shape.
Okay.
Okay, it cannot be open. And the angles are equal size.
Okay.
All the angles are equal size.
Okay.
Okay, all the angles are equal size. And the number of angles equals to the number of corners.
Okay.
Okay, the number of angles and corners are the same.
All right.
And
And I think the
number
final
of
one-
symmetry S's is equal to the number of straight line.
Like what you mentioned.
Yes, what we mentioned. So these are the characteristics of a regular polygon.
Okay.
Okay, can we go for the next activity? Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
All right.
So ready. Okay.
Form a regular polygon using magnetic bar. This is very interesting activity.
Okay.
Okay, you look at this one. There are some
Here.
magnetic bar there.
Okay, yes.
Okay, can you take 3?
I'll take
straight
3 out. Okay,
line,
I'll just
straight
come over
bar.
to this side. Oh no, my light has fallen. You know what? I think I'll stick
Yeah,
it here.
you can paste it there better.
Okay, yes. So I'll take 3 straight bars. I
3
have
straight
it.
bar. Can
Okay.
you form a shape?
Form a shape with this?
Yes.
Okay, I think even my
And
friends
it
who are
must
watching.
be close. As you know, a polygon must be a close.
Okay.
Object.
Okay, I'll try my best.
Can.
And also for those of you watching at home, you can also try this maybe with ice cream
Okay,
sticks.
yes, exactly.
Or
They can
using
try with
your
ice cream stick.
pencils or your pen and
Correct.
try to form them together.
Correct.
So, three sides. Okay, I think I know. I think I will make this shape here. Okay, so it has to be. So it's a polygon, right? So I
Yes,
have to
it
make
must
sure
be close.
It's close and it's straight. So it looks
Very
like it's straight.
good. This is one of the regular polygon.
All
Okay,
right.
with 3 sides. How about with 5?
With 5?
Yes, you can add another 2
Okay,
magnetic bar.
I'll add 2 more. 5. Okay, so I'll just break this up again.
Okay.
5. Okay, so I'll have, maybe I can do the base. 1. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, wait, it has to be close, right? Yeah.
Vishwan, I think you can paste the light end of the whiteboard.
Okay. Is it like this?
Yes.
Is this correct?
Exactly. Is it
Yeah.
close? Wait, let us check.
Okay, wait. I have to close
Is it
every.
close? Perfect, Sean.
Yeah.
This
Do I
is
get
with
something
5.
for completing this?
Yes, you will get another like end for this.
Yes. Oh,
Congratulations,
my
and
life has
congratulations to kids at home.
Yes.
I'm trying this activity with ice cream stick or pencil.
Yes, that's right. Thank you so much, Mr. Ragu.
You're welcome.
I have 4 likes so far. Yay!
Okay, we're going to do the next activity.
Okay.
Fill in the chart of
Okay.
the characteristic. Okay,
Alright.
Sean, come. Let's go to the chart.
Oh, this chart over there?
Yes.
Okay, I shall walk towards that angle.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay.
Here.
With 3 sides, we call it equilateral triangle.
Okay.
So the number of sides is 3.
Okay.
How about the number of corner?
Number of corners. Let me count. 1, 2, 3. Looks like 3 as
Very good.
well. Okay. Number of corners. Okay.
Is 3.
All right.
How about the number of angles?
Number of angles, like you mentioned, should be the same number as the number of corners,
Very
which is
good.
also 3.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, diagonals. For diagonals for triangle, you have 0 diagonals.
Oh.
Because all the 3 ends will meet to the line.
Okay, so they're not opposite of each
yes.
other. Okay,
So it's 0.
0.
Yes, for
Okay.
triangle.
All right.
Okay, now let's go for square.
Square. Okay, for those of you watching at home, can you guess? Let's see, number of straight sides. I think this is quite easy. there are 4 sides.
Very good, Sean.
Okay, let me just come over here and stick it. Okay, here 4. So we got 4 number of corners. We also have 4 number of symmetrical axes. So 1, 2. You mentioned it's the same number of straight lines, right?
Yes.
So it should be 4.
Very good, Sean.
All right, thank you, Mr. Ragu. And next, number of angles should be the same as number of corners, which is also 4.
Very good. Okay, the number of diagonals is already there. 2.
2. Okay, because we have one corner facing another corner, which is one diagonal.
Yes.
And another one facing on the opposite side. Is that correct, Mr. Ragu?
Yes, correct, Sean.
Yay. All
So
right.
we have to fill up all the chart here, and you can fill it up during the break time. Is it okay for you?
I think we still have some more time. Maybe we can also give some time to those of you watching at home as well, and we can also fill this up. Maybe we can do one more.
Okay, we do one more for
Yeah, we can
pentagon.
do one more. Okay, so let me just try. Or maybe instead of doing the pentagon, I'll go straight
Can,
to
John.
octagon. Wow, octagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides.
8 side, exactly.
Okay, I'll just stick this here. 8 sides, so it has 8 sides. It should have 8 corners. There we go. 8 sides, corners should be here. All right. Number of symmetrical axes already answered 8.
8, and number of angles
is equivalent to the number of corners, which is also 8. Okay, here. And number of diagonals is 20.
Yes.
Wow, all right.
You have 20 number of diagonals.
That's right. And for those of you watching at home, try and complete this chart. We're going to give a short break and be back to you for level 2 or Tahap 2 on Didik TV KPM.
Didik TV KPM. Didik TV KPM.
Okay, and done. Oh, and we're back on Didik TV KPM for level 2 for the subject which is Mathematics, DLP, where we're going to learn about regular, polygons, and angles. All right, over to you, Mr. Ragu.
Okay, now we're going to learn the symmetrical axis. Okay, how to do a symmetrical axis.
Okay.
Okay, I have what is the name of shape? This shape of polygon.
3 corners and 3 sides. I think this is a triangle.
Yes, equatorial triangle. This is the equatorial triangle. And we're going to learn how to calculate the number of symmetrical axes for this equatorial triangle.
All right.
Okay, we can do a folding activity.
Okay.
Okay, you can fold from this corner to another corner.
Okay.
Okay, you just fold it. Okay, kids at home, you can try with your papers and you can do this folding activity together.
Okay.
Okay.
So we are looking for a symmetrical axis.
Yes,
is it?
yes,
A
yes.
symmetrical axis is when if we fold it, we can separate it into 2 equal parts. Okay,
yes.
all right. So that's what Mr. Ragu is doing right now.
If you look here, I get 2 equal parts. Okay, 2 equal parts.
So that means on the left side and the right side.
Yes, exactly. Now I will fold it to another part, another corner from another corner. Okay.
Okay.
So from this corner to this corner.
Okay. Then we're gonna fold it.
Okay.
Okay. And for those of you watching at home, you can do the same if you happen to have a triangle-shaped paper. But make sure before you use any paper, ask your parents if they're using it or not. You don't want to be folding the paper that they're using for work, yeah?
All right. Now you get 2 lines.
Okay.
And the third one.
Ooh. Okay. So, if I'm not mistaken, like what you mentioned, the number of symmetry is actually just how many times you can fold it,
Yes, how
right?
many times you can fold it.
Okay. Alright. We almost got it there.
Okay. All right. So now we can draw a straight line
Okay.
with
So-
this ruler.
Okay. So the reason why we want to draw a straight line is for those of you who's watching at home, you are able to see the lines more clearly.
Exactly.
Because from us here, we are already able to see because we already folded it. But just in case you can't see it, we're just going to highlight that for you. And how about you guys at home? Have you already done it? If you have, we can compare our answers and see if you got it right. Okay, and I noticed that Mr. Ragu is using dotted lines or dashes instead of a straight line. Is this normally done when we want
Yes,
to
easy
show...
for them to see the difference.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because the sides are already in straight
lines
and connected lines. So this is to avoid confusion, or you might think, why is he drawing another triangle in a triangle? No, this is actually just to show the symmetrical symmetrical axis. Alright. For those of you at home can also try and draw it and we can compare our answers.
Okay.
So here
we have 1, 2, and 3 symmetry axes for triangle. For equilateral triangle, so we can get 3 symmetry axes. Alright? Okay, now for this square.
Square, okay.
I want Sean.
Oh, me?
Sean to try to fold this square and find out how many symmetry axes that he can find.
Okay, so let me try and fold this. So I have to fold this to ensure that it has the
two equal parts.
2 equal parts. So I'm going to fold it in half. And this is 1. Okay, this is 1. I'm not sure if you can see it, but never mind. And then I'm going to fold it over to the other side here. And I found another one because this is half.
Yes.
So I found 2 so far. And I think I can go from corner to corner.
Exactly.
Yeah, because we want to separate it or fold it into 2 equal corners. Here. Okay. So here you can see that it is like half. Okay.
Alright, this is the third line, huh?
And I'm going to go for the 4th one, which is here. Okay, so again, this is folded in 2 equal parts. Yeah, alright. Now what I'm going to do is...
look it clear, maybe Sean, you can use this ruler and this marker.
Oh, what a great idea, Mr. Ragu.
Then the kids can see clearly.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, you're welcome.
So here, I'm going to do... Okay, that's 1.
1.
2. Oh, I think I drew it a bit too big, but...
No problem.
So from corner to corner. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Please be patient with me for those of you watching at home. Why, Sean? Why are you so slow? Because you can't rush art. Okay, so here I'm almost done.
Yes.
You can also try at home and see whether you have got the same answer as I. And I hope I got it correct. Compare our answers.
Very good. Well done, Sean.
Yeah.
You get 1 more like end for this.
Yay! So far I have 4. I think I have 4. Yeah, it's on the board. But
Here you
now
are, Sean.
I have an extra one, which I'll keep nicely in my pocket here.
So this is how you identify the number of symmetrical axes in a polygon.
Alright.
Okay, now we're going to learn how to measure angles. We're going to use what tools to measure angles?
Angles. I'm not so sure. What kind of tools can we use?
We can use a protractor.
A protractor?
Yes.
What's that?
This is a big protractor.
Wow. Oh, so this is called a protractor.
Yeah, this is a protractor. We have few types of protractor here. And in different sizes. This is the kids will use at home usually.
Can I have that?
Sure.
Thank you. So this one is a bit more smaller.
This is also a small protractor which is in different colors.
Yep.
So we have pink.
Yeah.
We have yellow, light yellow.
Okay. Oh, that's a lot of colors.
And we have green.
Okay.
Okay. And we have round type of protector.
Oh, okay. Wow, that is a lot of different
Okay,
types.
these are some types of protector. And we have in a medium size of protector also.
Okay.
This is large, this is medium, that
And
is
these
small.
are small.
Okay.
Yeah.
So today I'm going to teach you how to use protector with this big protector.
All right.
Okay.
So are you heading over to the whiteboard?
Can I have the marker? Oh, the marker
over
is
here.
there.
Oh, it's on the, yes.
All right.
Okay.
Okay,
Wow,
if you look at this protector, Sean,
Oh, yes.
there is a measurement here.
Okay.
Okay, if you look at the measurement, some start 0 from the left, some start 0 from the right.
Okay.
Why you have two zeros, one in the left, one in the right?
I think it depends from which side we are measuring.
Exactly, the angles come from which side? Okay, look at this angle. Okay, we're going to measure this angle. I name it this angle as A,
Okay.
and this angle as B.
All right.
Okay, if I want to measure A, so I have to make sure I put this protector and the line are
At
straight.
the bottom. Okay.
Okay, straight, and there's a hole here.
Ah.
Okay, there's a hole here. You can
Yes.
look at the hole whether the lines are straight or not.
Okay.
Okay, then I can measure. So since this angle is coming from the right, so I will use the inside one. Okay,
Okay.
from zero
Yes.
from the right.
Okay.
So the angle for this is 125, 26, 27, 28. 128 degree.
Ah.
Okay,
wow.
128 degree.
Okay.
Okay, how about for B? The angle start from left.
Okay.
So I still use the same thing. Okay, make sure the angles, the lines are straight.
Okay. So that means it's at the corner where the two lines meet.
Yeah,
is it?
where the two lines meet.
Okay.
Okay, now I will use.
From,
Okay, the 0 from the left.
Okay.
Okay, is 50, 51, and 52.
I see.
So 52 degree.
52. Oh.
52 degree.
All right.
So we no need to move this. We just move our protector and we use the numbers, the measurements, whether you want to count from left or from right.
Okay.
So that's why they have two numbers, start from 0 from the left and start from 0 from the right.
Ah, all right.
Okay, now Sean.
Yes.
So now Sean, can you help me to measure the angles for a regular polygon?
Okay, maybe we can try the triangle.
All right, can Sean.
Okay.
Let's paste this on the whiteboard
Okay.
first.
Shall I go over there?
Sure, Sean.
Okay, and I'll start.
And you
I'll
can
take
choose which protector you want to use,
I
Sean.
shall take my favorite color, the pink one.
Okay.
I'll go over there.
All right.
All right. So now I'll stick it hopefully over here where everyone can see. Okay. All right. And I'll just come over on this side. Okay, so I have a triangle over here. And as you mentioned, to measure an angle using a protector from the baseline, and also maybe I'll do between these two lines.
Can.
Here?
Can.
Okay, I'm going to place this over here. So this is where the two lines meet. And we're going to start from here. We're going to
Alright.
start from this side, from 0 all the way till up here. And I found it to be exactly 60 degrees.
60 degree, you're correct, Sean.
Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
Yay!
The interior angle for a regular triangle is 60 degree.
And this is a equilibrium.
Yes, equilibrium triangle.
Equilibrium triangle.
Yeah.
All right. So should I measure the rest of the angles as
you
well?
can measure another one.
Okay, I'll measure
Just
here.
to confirm whether it is same or not.
And this starts from the other end, so I'll have to use the measurement from inside. And I can see over here, if you notice, it is at 60 degrees as well.
60 degree also, very good, Sean.
Yes. So did I get that correct?
Correct, Sean. You will
Yeah.
get another like end for this.
Woohoo! Yes, to my walls of likes.
Congratulations, Sean.
Thank you, Mr. Ragu. Thank you
most
so much.
welcome.
Thank you so much. Yay.
Okay, can we try one more regular polygon?
I think we can show one more.
Yeah.
Maybe I can show the square.
Can?
Yep, I'll just go over there.
All right.
Okay. All right, so over here. actually, because I would actually like to take a short break, but this is something those of you at home can try. Use the protractor and try and measure what's the internal angle, is it interior angle, for the square itself on each side. Can you guess? We're going to take a short break and be back to you for level 2 or Tahap 2 on Didik TV KPM.
Didik TV KPM. Didik TV KPM.
And we are back for level 2 or Tahap 2 on Didik TV KPM. Together with me, Mr. Like. Sorry, this is actually Sean Stephen as your host, together with Mr. Ragu. For the subject of Matematik DLP, we're learning about regular polygons and angles. All right, over to you, Mr. Ragu.
Okay, Sean, we're going to do a final task today.
Okay.
Okay, we have few shapes of polygon and non-polygon here.
Oh,
Okay, the first thing I want you to identify which one is a polygon and which one is a non-polygon.
Okay.
Okay, I think you can find out the non-polygon first. We can take it out from the list.
First. Okay, so let's see. What about for you at home? Can you guess? Okay, so looks like, I think it's very easy because we need straight lines for polygon.
Yeah.
So this doesn't have a straight line, so this is a non-polygon.
Very good, Sean. This is not a non-polygon. All right, good. We can take it out.
Okay. So the next one here, this actually has an empty part.
Yeah, it's not close.
Yes, it's not close, so a polygon should be close. So
Very
this
good,
is
Sean.
not a polygon.
Very good. Excellent.
Oh, this is my favorite,
can I
the
take it
heart.
out?
Yes, please. This is a heart. I love this, but I do not love it because it is not a polygon.
Yes,
Even though
Sean.
it's close, it is curved.
It
We
is
want
curved.
straight
It's
line.
not a straight line.
Yes.
Very good, Sean. I'll take it out.
Yes, please. And last but not least, this is like the shape of my head, which is round. And unfortunately, this is also not a polygon.
Yes, because it don't have a straight
It doesn't have straight
lines.
lines. So I'll just remove this away. Okay.
Okay. How about all this?
I think this is already the polygons that we touched earlier, so I can confidently say these are polygons.
Very good, Sean. I'll give you one more like and
Yay!
to identify the polygon and the non-polygon.
Thank you so much.
Okay, now you have one more task to do, Sean.
Okay.
Okay, you can choose one of the polygon from 4 polygons there.
Okay.
And I want you to fill up this chart.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
There you are.
Thank you so
So
much.
you have to write the name of the regular polygon,
All right.
the number of sides, the number of corners, the number of symmetrical axes, and the number of diagonals.
Ooh. Okay.
For this activity, Sean, I'll give you 3 like and if you get all correct.
Ooh, okay. All right. So for those of you at home, you can also try and fill this out. Maybe which one would you like me to do?
You can choose, Sean.
Oh. Okay,
Yeah.
then I'll go for the easiest one. Okay, you know what? Maybe I'll just go for the hexagon, which is this one here. It has, I think that's a hexagon. Let me try and fill this up.
Okay.
I'm going to write this on the board. Here, let me just use one.
You can
of
write
these.
it here, Sean, and then you can paste it there later.
I can do this.
Okay, all right,
Okay.
good.
So excuse me if I'm facing the back. So here, name of the regular polygon. I'm going to put it as hexagon. Hexa. Is it hexagon?
Yeah.
Okay. Hexagon. And number of sides we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. And number of corners we also have 6. Number of symmetrical axes. Oh, 1, 2, 3. I remember. Number of symmetrical axes equals to the number of corners. I think it's correct, yeah. Number of diagonals. Oh, this is going to
Very
be
good.
difficult. So it's 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 9. I think it's 9. I think.
Okay, let's check together.
All right.
Okay, name of the regular polygon is hexagon. Very good, Sean.
Yay.
Correct. Number of sides 6. Very good. Number of corners also 6. Very good. Number of symmetrical axes also 6. Very good. And the number of diagonals, oh my God, it's correct. 9. Congratulations, Sean.
Yay, thank you so much. And because of that, how many likes do I get?
You will have 3 like ends for this.
Yay.
Here you are, Sean. 1,
1, thank you, on my wall of likes.
2,
2,
and
okay.
3.
All right, thank you so much, Mr. Ragu.
You are
and
most
before we
welcome. Now
end-
you can count how many total likes and that you...
Okay, I have 1,
What
2,
today?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 like ends. Congratulations, Sean.
Thank you, Mr. Ragu. And before we end, could we get a short summary of what we have learned today?
Sure. Okay, today we have learned the characteristic of a polygon and to identify the number of sides, corner, and the symmetrical axis of
Yep.
a polygon, especially regular polygon.
Yep.
And also measuring angles of a regular polygon up to 8 sides using a protector. This is what we have learned today.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ragu. And what is our overall evaluation of our lesson today?
Okay, for overall evaluation, okay, Sean have get 10 stars.
Ooh,
Okay, 10 stars, and we have achieved the objective today.
Yay!
Congratulations,
thank you so
Sean.
much, Mr. Ragu.
Actually, the total number of stars today is 10. You get a full
Ooh,
number of stars.
All right. And for those of you who's watching at home, how can they get exercises for them to enhance their understanding?
Okay, pupils at home can log in to Sumberku in Delima KPM website for extra activity.
That's right. So that's why we can get it from Sumberku. And again, thank you so much, Mr. Ragu,
You're most
for
welcome,
the
sir.
lesson today. Hopefully it's beneficial to you, and we'll see you in our next class on Level 2 on DLP KPM. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye!
Okay, Sean. We can see the
Ooh.
polygons in our real life situations.
Yeah?
Okay, you see, look at this ball. They have
Yeah.
pentagon on this ball.
Yeah?
Okay, if you look at these nuts, what is the shape of the nuts?
Oh, this one looks like a hexagon.
Exactly, it's a hexagon.
Yeah.
Why is it an hexagon shape? Because easy for them to open and to fit.
Oh yes, because also it's a regular polygon. So
Polygon.
at any angle it can also
Correct, Sean.
grip.
And you can have a look at the flag also. It's in what shape?
Oh, this is a triangle.
Triangle.
Ah,
So these
okay.
are the shapes that we can find in our real life situation.
Ah,
And the
yes.
puzzle
Oh,
that
this
you
one
played
here.
just now.
I think it's something like a Rubik's Cube, but it's a
Yes.
triangle. Oh.
It is in
okay.
what shape, Sean?
This is a triangle,
Exactly, it's a triangle.
and there's some more.
The
There's more
surface-
triangles inside the triangles.
Yes.
Wow.
And how about this, Sean?
Didik TV KPM